The 2016 Ford F-150. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include front fog lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call